Hello everyone, this is Sriram, and in this presentation we're gonna see about Gandhi's thoughts on development. So, first, Gandhi thought. Let's see about Gandhi's thought on village development. Mm, Gandhi had an idea that India could develop only when all the villages in India develop. So he started learning modern skills like leather work in South Africa, and next year he started a movement for Khadi. And by 1936, he started a association called All India Village Industries Association, and also he started Sevagram or Village of Service, so that he thought village could develop. And his plan for India's future development was based on village development, as I said earlier. As villages was being self-contained, manufacturing mainly for use. So this might be the reflection of his aversion of for the ugliness of industrial civilization. So he wanted to develop villages in India. Gandhi's thoughts on educational development. Instead of promoting modern school structure, his plan of education was to link up modern skills. He thought of linking up modern skills like craftsmanships or artworks, so that it could be helpful for developing India. As the modern schools alienate the children from their families, the artisans, craftsmen, and farmers, because there won't be any link between the children's learning and their parents' occupation. So he wanted to improve the skills which belongs to India, so that they have a bonding between them. But after many analysis, Kumar found that this proposal from Gandhi could not be implemented, as it would sort out the symbolic meaning of education, so that it cannot be implemented fully. So he went through an research by implementing his proposal for the primary education, but it could not be implemented for secondary education. So this proposal implementation was really tough, as it changes the real meaning of education. And integral to this plan, Gandhi taught on universal education. In lecture at Chatham House, London on October 20, 1931, Gandhi said that today India is more illiterate than it was 50 or 100 years ago. The village schools were not good enough for British administrators. So he came out with this program. Every school must have so much paraphernalia, building, and so forth. This very poor country of mine is unable to sustain such an expensive method of education. Many would feel that Gandhi's claim of extensive education in the past was exaggerated, but Nehru too had the same thing to say. Once again, Dharmapal did an excellent service by collecting together some of the old reports by the colonial administration that confirms the position of Gandhi and Nehru. And by comparing these three experiments, Tagore's approach was more holistic, and in collaboration with Shanti Niketan, the village development effort centered around Sri Niketan could establish an organic link with the existing cultural, both traditional and modern. So, so this is what Gandhi's thoughts on development. Gandhi did not discuss the cultural dimension, or did he talk much about technology infusion. He instead wanted to change the fundamental issues like attitudes, values, and discrimination practiced between the people of India. So that's all for these thoughts of Gandhi on India's development. So thank you.